It's a little after 7:30 today on Monday, April 13th. It's about 75 degrees out. We're going to go ahead and do a repairability test here off Crop Road for Chad DeRosa over here on an in-law suite. Got the test area, control areas marked out. Purpose of the control in the test area: the control gives us an area to compare against the test area. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we've got our test shingle marked out here. We're going to remove and reinstall the area or shingle to simulate a repair on this slope here. I've got the roof snake, I've got a roofing hammer and a roofing pry bar. And all we're going to do is separate our test shingle from the surrounding areas and the sealants and reinstall it to simulate a repair. So I've selected the test shingle here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and gently remove the sealant here. We're doing a sliding pry bar up underneath it here, just slowly separating, gently separating the sealant. Okay, got our shingle unsealed here. Now we got to remove the fasteners. So to do that, we have to get to the fasteners up here and the fasteners up here as well. So we're going to start unsealing this shingle here. Okay, there we go. Actually, a little bit more back here. Okay, got to get into this shingle a little bit right here. Now to be able to get to the nails all the way up here, we're going to have to go ahead and unseal this one as well. Looks like we're getting a little bit of tearing there. Be gentle. Getting a little bit of resistance there as well. Uh-oh. So we got a tear right there. Looks like we've got some material transfer here as well. Just continue. Okay, now we've got this shingle completely isolated. So we're going to go ahead and reach up under here and grab these nails. Slides right out. There you go. Got the shingle extracted. Go ahead and take a look at this. Looks like we're getting a little bit of shingle matting there. Go ahead and take a look. We've got some material transfer here, of course. Got a little bit of a tear there. So what we're gonna do here, take this shingle, lay it here. We're gonna go ahead and pull these fasteners out. Okay, put the fasteners out. Set a pry bar aside. And we'll take our roof snake. Okay. With our shingle back in place, take a roof snake, grab a roofing hammer, we'll go ahead and begin fastening the shingle back into place. Bad nail. Looks like we've got another tear there. Another bad nail. So we're going to go ahead and observe some of these damages here. So we've got a slight tear here. Got a secondary tear right down here. A little bit of material transfer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and document all the consequential damages here.